Kuringana na Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta, thina munene uria ukuriire Akenya maitho na ugacungirira kigiriko na kinyamariko kibeca ona kimeciria ni ndwari.
And we all want affordable and high quality healthcare for our families, or, which I don't believe, is there anyone amongst us who would settle for less?
Na niguo kuhuthiria mukenya garama ya urigitani, President nioritie mangavana mambiririe kuhimbiria mutaratara wa thirikari nene wa kuruguria urigitani wa mwingi gukinyaniria mwaka wa 2022.
We will have to improve the quality of our facilities and manage the cost and quality of drugs. We will also have to train and recruit more doctors and nurses.
Oho President uria ugite mutaratara uyu kwambiriria kurugurio kaunti-ini cia Kisumu, Nyeri, Isiolo na Marsabit mbere ya gukinyanirio guothe bururi-ini ni arutite mukana kuri andu aria mekunyitikana mageitanga kana kuhuthira uru kigina kiria gikurekererio tabarira-ini ino.
To maintain fiscal discipline, to keep records accurately, and to use the funds, the resources, and the personnel allocated to you in a manner that will assure Kenyans get maximum benefit.
Na kimurika ciigie futhi wa irio, President ugite uteithio uria ukoretwo kiheanwo wa bataraitha na mbegu ukoretwo ugiteithia itanga na gutirika arimi anini aria makoragwo maubataire makiria.
We must empower our farmers with the information necessary to increase their output per acre, reduce their unit cost of production, and therefore significantly improve returns on their investment.
Uhuru niongereire kuga hari na bata wa kuigithia na njira cia kiriu niguo kuhotithia arimi magie na magetha ma kuigana.
There is no reason for a potato farmer in a place like Nyandarua, Njoro, Kaptagat to struggle with seeds that can only produce 7 bags an acre, when our neighbors in Ethiopia are harvesting 21 bags.
President nioritie thirikari cia matuura iregerie maruta maria marutagwo ni aigithia niguo mamahotithie guthundura iganda makiria ciegemaine na maciaro ma migunda niguo guthondeka utonga kuri arimi na mieke ya mawira kuri mbeu njithi.
Our focus is on those sectors whose value chains will provide opportunities for our people and therefore create more jobs. For example, in doubling our textile manufacturers for the AGOA export market, we expect to create upward of 100,000 jobs at various levels, from cotton farms and ginneries to stitching facilities.
Na niguo gukinyaniria gitugi gia kana kiria nikio wuikaro mwega, President niranire thirikari yake ni haririirie kunyitana na thirikari cia kaunti niguo gwaka nyumba 500,000 kwa ihinda ria miaka 5 yukite. O kahinda-ini kau President arutite mukana kuri aruti wira a muingi aria magodagirira wira-ini wao akiuga uri ukunyitikana no kufutwo ekufutwo.
To serve this great nation,
President uria kwaragiria kigomano gia gatano kia utamburukia wa mahinya kuma thingira-ini wa iregi guku Nairobi ni agathiririe ikinya riria kaunti inyitite kugaciriria miturire ya muingi wa bururi.